Good morning. Welcome back in your revision class. So, today we'll do the revision of vowel and consonant. Yesterday we read the book, English reader book. Now today we'll do some exercises from practice book. So, before to just start exercises, let's have a quick revision of vowel and consonants. Okay? As you all know, from A to Z, okay, A, E, I, O, U. These fives are vowel. A, E, I, O, U. Till here you know that A, E, I, O, U are vowel, and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. Well, children, we use an before a word if it begins with the letter A, E, I, O, U. What we use? We use an. अगर कोई word A, E, I, O, U इनमें से किसी एक से स्टार्ट होता है तो हम लोग उसके पहले क्या यूज़ करते हैं? An. We use an before that. Okay. अगर कोई word, if any word starts with A or E or I, O, U, then we use an before it. उसके अलावा B, C, D इन ये सब जो कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं इससे अगर स्टार्ट होता है कोई वर्ड तो उसके पहले A यूज़ करते हैं. That you all know. So let's start the exercises. That is in your practice book, chapter number, that page number 2, worksheet number 2 of page number 2. What is written? See the question. There are mistakes in each of these sentences. Words join to form a sentence. बहुत सारे words मिलके एक sentence बनाते हैं. So there are mistakes. Mistakes you all know. Mistakes in each sentence. Draw a circle. Circle, round. Okay. Around the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. What you have to do, children? You have to draw a circle like this. आपको क्या करना है? Sentence blue color से जो लिखा हुआ है, that is in your practice book also, page number 2. That see, the question is written like this. One is done for you. You have to circle the mistake. जो गलती है उसको circle कर देना है and rewrite. That means you have to write the sentence again. Rewrite the sentences. You have to write complete sentence again. Here it is written, Ram has A is wrong because U is here. See that U. What is U? U is vowel or consonant? U is vowel. So before, see the word start with vowel. So we will write an before it. जो भी word अगर vowel से start होता है तो उसके पहले an यूज़ करेंगे. अगर ये consonant से start होता तो A यूज़ करते. But that sentence is wrong. Ram has a umbrella. No. Ram has an umbrella. Clear? I have written this part of the sentence as it is. Only I have changed A into an. Okay, children? Let's do the question number 2 of worksheet number 2. Ravi likes to eat a apple. A apple. See that A? So there we got the mistake. We have circled the mistake and we are writing it away again. Rest of the part, see that we will write as it is. बाकी सारे words को हम लोग as it is लिखेंगे. जो mistakes है उसको correct करके नीचे लिखेंगे. Ravi likes to eat. What we will write? We will write an. I have corrected the mistake as you also correct. Okay? You will write in the book in same way. Apple. Full stop. Don't forget to put full stop. Then your sentence would be completed. Ravi likes to eat an apple. Clear? Next question. Question number 3. When I taught you first time, at that time many of you did mistake in that. An postman brings letters. An postman. Where is a or an? Here. So, before this, postman. P is what? Vowel and consonant. Whereas I know it is consonant. So, if the word start, if postman is a word, if the word start with consonants, we will use a before it. Vowel के पहले an लगाते, अगर ये consonant हो गया तो इसके पहले a लगेगा. Okay? I have circled and I am writing. I have corrected a and rest of the part as it is. A postman brings letters. Okay? Now clear? Only mistakes I have circled and I have written it again. A postman brings letter. Postman because P stands for consonant. Next question. Question number 4. See that. Now there is a twist. Let's check my children knows or not. See that. An pilot flies a aeroplane. An pilot flies a aeroplane. How to write? An pilot. P consonant. So mistake. Some of you, what you had done when you just wrote, you had written, you had left rest of the part. There is also some more mistakes. See that, not only one, I got one more. An pilot, that is wrong, flies a aeroplane. A aeroplane. A is what? Vowel. So before vowel we use an. It is written wrong. So let us correct it. A pilot flies an aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Now clear? Two mistakes are there. In one sentence, it may be one or two mistakes. So I found two mistakes. An pilot, there is mistake. A aeroplane, that is also mistake. The last question of this worksheet. This is an soup bowl. This is an soup bowl. What to write? This is correct. An soup. An is here or soup. S is what? Vowel or consonant? Consonant. So, we will circle the mistake and we will write correct. This is a soup ball. Now it's very easy, na? If I give you more questions, you can do it. I hope it is clear for you. Question number 1, 2, 3. 1 is already done in the book. Okay, children? So, no need to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That all completed. Let's start filling the book. Okay? Now, again, next page. Next page, one more question is there. Rest of the part we have completed. That was left to revise. Okay. That is on page number 6. That is on page number 6, worksheet number 3. It is page number 6, worksheet number 3. So you will put date, today's date, that is 14th May 2020. Okay. And then you start doing it. What is the question? What does the question says? Make as many sentences as you can. It means जितना sentence आप बना सकते हो उतना आप बनाइए. How? With this table. Table is given. Just now we have studied a and. See that a and. You all have understood where to use a and where to use an. So what we have to do? Write them in space given below. इससे जितना सेंटेंस बन सकता है उसे हमें नीचे बनाना है. ओके, लेट्स डू 1 2 3 4 5. 5 parts of sentences are given. It's not complete sentence. ये complete sentence नहीं है. We have to start from there. You have to match there and we have to go there and then complete the sentence. We have to start from there, go there and then we have to match. But don't draw line here. यहाँ आप लोग line cross नहीं कीजिएगा. Okay? It will look dirty. You start selecting part of the sentence from here, connect here and then join any of that. But किससे connect करेंगे, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? If A is there, so the first letter would be consonant. If an is there, then first letter would be vowel. Then we will write. Let's start writing. Number 1. I ate. I ate. What I ate? मैंने खाया. A cat or an cat is wrong. An egg for breakfast. Either you can make as Push says, I ate a cat. I ate an ice cube. An egg for breakfast. अगर an यूज़ करेंगे तो इधर से आप लोग vowel वाला parts of sentence लेंगे. Okay? I ate an. Let's take an. आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं but sentence should be correct. I ate an egg for breakfast. Okay? Again, I am reading. What to read? Only one thing is there to read. I am reading a good book या I am reading an good book. बिना इसको लिए आप sentence complete नहीं कीजिएगा. Okay? Without taking these a or an, you will not complete the sentence. I am reading a good book. Sentence number 2. I am reading a good book. In this way, you will know how to make sentences. Okay? With using vowel and consonant. Again, the dog ran after. Dog किसके पीछे भागता है? Ran after means पीछे भागना. The dog ran after generally cat. You can make other way also. The dog ran after an old lady also. You can. But the logical sentence will make the dog ran after a cat. अगर old lady के पीछे dog भागा तो आप an old lady यूज़ करेंगे. Cat के पीछे भागेगा तो a cat. Okay? The dog ran after a cat. The dog ran after a cat. Clear? Sentence number 4. Give me. What to give me? Give me a. What is left? Good book is over. Cat is over. Egg for breakfast is over. What are left? Ice cube and old lady. ये दो हमें बच गए, तो इन दोनों में से किसी एक को यूज करना है. ओके, गिव मी an ice cube. A ice cube is wrong. I is boil, so give me an ice cube. Give me an ice cube. Full stop. Sentence number 5. I can what? See. I can see an old lady is left. So I can see an old lady. I can see a good book. I can see a cat. ये भी हो सकता है. But in your book only 5 lines are given. So you have to make 5 sentences. But you can make. Okay, आप बना सकते हैं और भी sentences से. While using a and an. Only 5 lines are given. So you will write 5 lines only. I can see an old lady. Now in our revision, that page number 6 is also completed. This kind of questions are given. See that pattern of questions are given. You will fill the space given here. Don't cross like this. Okay, children. Let's have on another page what we read yesterday. Yesterday we read the story of Puss and the Parrot. So worksheet number 1 again from Puss and the Parrot. In lesson 3, Puss and the Parrot, the clever parrot flies away. Read what happens next and fill in the following blanks using is, am, are. We have studied already. We have already studied the use of is, am, are. Where to use is, where to use am and are. कहाँ कहाँ किसके साथ use करना चाहिए. We have already studied. So let's start filling fast. Push, where you going? With you, what we use? Is or am or are? Are. Where are you going? Question mark. Parrot is saying, now dialogue between parrot and Puss. I going to bring rats for you. Parrot is saying, I going. With I we use always am. Is no, are no. Only am. I am going to bring rats for you. You will fill like this. Okay, children? The space is given in your practice book. Page number 7. Just you fill like this. Push. But it is raining. There no rats come soon. There are. With there we use are. There are no rats come soon. Parrot. Oh, you so foolish. Oh, you. With you we use neither is nor am. With you we always use are. Oh, you are so foolish. I not coming back. In the same way, I के साथ भी am ही use होता है. Neither is nor are. I am. Clear, children? Let's have another worksheet number. Today I'll complete it. Use one of these to fill in the blanks. Is, am, are, has, have. Help box are given. You have to select one word and you have to fill it. I 6-year-old. Simple. I am 6 years old. Ritu playing basketball. Ritu is singular. So Ritu is playing. These flowers. Flowers are plural. Are. Very pretty. We Indians. We Indians. We are Indians. Okay? I have taken words from there. A kitten, the baby of a cat. Kitten क्या होता है? The baby of a cat is. A kitten is there ना? A kitten is the baby of a cat. Simple. As ma'am is doing fast, you will also do. The elephant, long trunk. The elephant has a long trunk. Birds. Birds, plural, have. In our previous videos, we have studied where to use has and have. Birds have wings because birds are plural. He two flowers. Yeah, two pencils. He has. With he we use has, not have. Ducklings. Again plural. Ducklings. So with plural we use ducklings, babies of duck. Ducklings are babies of ducks. My best friend. My mother is or was or has have is. My mother is my best friend. Is it true? Your mother is your best friend. So my mother is my best friend. Now, that's all for today. Let's start doing it. Okay, in your practice book.